to APEX 2026. My name is Rosalie, and it's always a pleasure to reconnect here and share Fuji's latest innovations, especially our Target Zero initiative. Now, manufacturing may be behind the scenes, but at Fuji, we see ourselves as invisible but important, right? Our industry continues to face ongoing challenges: skilled labor shortages, rising material costs, and increasing energy demands, yet advancements in AI, automation, and smart technology are opening doors to faster, higher quality production needed to build more and more sophisticated products, from sensors to batteries and power management to automobiles and servers. Fuji is leading this transformation with our R Series, or revolutionary platforms, designed to address today's most pressing manufacturing challenges. With the NXTR platform and Fuji's Target Zero concept, we've already set the standard for the future of SMT placement with many satisfied customers worldwide. There's no going back now, so let's take a closer look at how NXTR is continuing to shape the future of SMT manufacturing. Fuji continues to advance fully automated production with the NXTR-A and the NXTR PM printing module, designed to minimize manual work and enable PCB assembly with zero human intervention, using autonomous mobile robots, AMRs like my friend here, that move setups from the kitting and feeder area and the smart storage system directly to the machines. Now, since the smart storage unit also supports the return to stock process, changeover efficiency is significantly improved, all built on Fuji's Target Zero concept. Zero defects, zero machine stops, zero placement limits, and zero operators. Yes, you heard that right. I said zero operators. So the NXTR PM over here, fully automated stencil printer, receives the stencil and backup plate via an AMR and swaps them automatically for the next job. It also allows stopless replacement of cleaning media and solder paste, ensuring zero downtime and maximum productivity. So at the same time that the NXTR PM printer is automatically changing over, Fuji's new smart storage system stages the populated feeders and loads magazine for AMR transport to the line based on your Nexim schedule parameters that have already been set using Fuji's smart loader technologies. Now, this smart storage system consists of an exchange station, a preparation station, and a workstation to manage all your changeovers and return to stock processes. The smart storage system you'll see uses the same smart loader as the NXTR-A, with full inventory tracking capabilities. This important part of Fuji's smart factory will play a key role in reducing labor and downtime. You're going to want to spend some time on this latest release, so check that out. So the NXTR-A automates feeder changes, material replenishment, nozzle exchange, and setups for the next jobs. For this demo, we've color-coded the feeders, shifting from blue to yellow to red, to show the transition in real time. And AMR delivers the material to the pick-and-place machine, loading both current and upcoming jobs, supplied from the smart storage kitting area. Now, once the buffer station receives a new magazine, the NXTR Smart Loader sets up feeders on the machine using Nexim scheduling data for precise optimization. The next jobs and frequently used feeders can be parked in the base buffer. The Smart Loader can also return exhausted feeders to magazines for AMR transport back to smart storage for a changeover. Currently, the NXTR-A supports reels up to 56 millimeters wide, with future automation plans for larger reels stick feeders, and trays. The line control unit ensures continuous production even in the event of a network issue. The new placement head technology boosts speed to 60,000 components per hour with the RH28 head and NXTR 2RB module while maintaining industry-leading accuracy. The NXTR has the capability of placing down to 10 micron accuracy. And speaking of placement capabilities, the NXTR is the world's first placement system to place 01608 components. This capability, coupled with Fuji's ability to handle some of the heaviest components in the industry, continues to keep the NXTR platform on the forefront of technology. So despite its innovations, the NXTR retains Fuji's proven modular design, single-sided operation, and quick change heads. Now, for those not yet ready for full automation, the standalone NXTR model offers the same feeder compatibility as previous Fuji platforms, minimizing new feeder investment while expanding capabilities. So explore these features on the NXTR series further and speak with our team about availability and purchasing options. Now, speaking of flexibility and Fuji's R series, the AIMEXR platform is the ultimate all-in-one solution for modern manufacturing, handling large PCBs, a wide range of components, and both low and high throughput with maximum flexibility. With dual-side device loading and operation and the high device count, the AIMEXR is designed for frequent job changes without sacrificing performance. AIMEXR integrates many of the same cutting-edge features as the NXTR and is fully supported by Nexim for seamless factory control. The platform takes the technology from its predecessor, the AIMEX3, to an entirely new level, including the latest Dynahead capabilities. By using the same heads as the NXTR platform, the AIMEXR series can also satisfy the most challenging applications in the industry today, including placing the heaviest components we've seen. So while you're here in our booth, feel free to explore Fuji's AI solutions, flexible screen printers, automation tools, and back-end assembly solutions as well. And you have to see the SFAB platform. It has quickly become an industry leader and revolutionizes insertion part capabilities. Also, please be sure to take the time to see and hear about NMtronics robotic and software service solutions and Fuji's many other channel partnerships. Lastly, please spend some time learning more about how Nexim transforms smart factory control with detailed production scheduling, machine-to-machine communication, advanced analytics, and real-time operator alerts via Smart Factory Mobile Conductor. These Nexim features and many more will keep your production running smoothly and on time with minimal downtime while providing predictive insights and analytics. In short, the future of the fully autonomous, lights-out smart factory is here. Operating your factory remotely and at the highest quality level is now a reality. And now, as the industry evolves at lightning speed, Fuji is proud to stay at the forefront of this revolution. Serving this industry for 60 years has been our pleasure, and we're just getting started. Enjoy the show, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Please come. I invite you into the booth. Thank you so much.
Fuji, innovative spirit.